Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Tuna Zuke Don, a rice bowl dish with marinated tuna. Fresh sashimi tuna is flavored in a savory soy sauce-based sauce and placed on top of steamed rice. It is really easy to make, but you can taste this restaurant-quality dish at home. These are the ingredients. We hope you can find the fresh tuna for sashimi. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we are going to make the sauce. Combine all of the ingredients for the sauce, soy sauce, mirin, and sake in a small pot and let boil for a minute. And pour into a small container and cool. Next, we are going to slice sashimi-grade tuna thinly. You can substitute with other sashimi fish if you like, such as salmon or yellowtail. And marinate the fish in the sauce for 20 minutes. Make sure the fish is well coated with the sauce. Keep refrigerated until ready to use. Meanwhile, cut shiso leaves very finely. We are going to use this for topping. If you can't find it, you can substitute with green onions. Serve steamed rice in a bowl and top with nori roasted seaweed and place the marinated tuna on top. Spoon some of the sauce over if you like and sprinkle some sesame seeds on the tuna and put a small amount of cut shiso leaves in the middle. And finally, top with some wasabi if you like. Fresh sashimi is best eaten right away, but if you marinate like this, it will last for a couple of days. If you have a leftover sashimi for dinner, you can marinate it and have a wonderful lunch next day.
美味しい。美味しいね。